In this short tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to create a human in Infinite Craft. Okay, let's get started. Now let's start with fire. Drag wind on top of it to create smoke. Put water just down below. Then add fire on top of water to create steam. Now drag earth on top of steam to create mud. Now the next thing is to put wind below mud. Drag earth on top of wind to create dust. Then still put earth on top of dust to create planet. Now put smoke just down below planet. Then drag water onto smoke to create fog. Move fog on top of planet to create Venus. Now once Venus is created, add mud on top of Venus to create Adam. Then still drag Venus on top of Adam to create Eve. Then lastly, put Adam on top of Eve to create human. That's how easy it is to create human on Infinite Craft. And if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.